Riri muthemba mweru wa COVID-19 ututhukite muhuro wa gitaru kia Africa, ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri kuhitukira murugamiriri wa motungata ma urigitani bururi-ini Dagitari Patrick Amoth rugite ni ruongereire umenyereri hari ageni aria maratonya bururi-ini makiria kuma bururi wa South Africa, Botswana na mwena wa Hong Kong, kuona ni imwe cia icigo iria cigomeirwo ni mucoka wa COVID-19.
South Africa, Botswana and Hong Kong. Because we are also on the lookout for the visitors coming from Namibia, Lesotho and Eswatini. So they are going to go through a more rigorous screening process, including rapid antigen testing at the point of arrival.
Ageni kuma icigo ici matonya bururi-ini maramba guthimwo na kuigwo keheri-ini iri njira ya kuhurana na gutamba kwa murimu uyu. Ona gukiria uguo, Amoth arauga ataramu wa njanjo ya COVID-19 maya gucoka riko kuongerera njanjo iria ciri kuo hinya wa kuhurana na mithemba mieru ya virus ino.
Basically, it's like the virus is like the lock to your door. So if somebody changes the lock without you knowing, your key will not be able to open the door. So they have to go back to the drawing board and make a new key to be able to open this newly installed lock.
Ihinda-ini o riu, CAS wa ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman oritie thibitari ciothe matura-ini kwigwatira njanjo niguo cikuhiririe aikari.
We are not safe until a certain level of our population is vaccinated. We limit the space in which the virus can move.
Rashid akwaragia ri thibitari-ini ya Nanyuki Cottage kuria ahingurire moshari. Ithimi-ini cia riu cia COVID-19 andu 42 nio manyititwo na murimu uyu, 15 makahona na gutire gikuo ona kimwe kiandikithitio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.